Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create these puzzle transitions in the CapCut Mobile. So in here, what you need to do is import two videos like this into CapCut and click on one of the video and make it as overlay and drag it to the bottom of the first video. And here, click on the overlay video and find mask. Then select the mirror. So click on the mirror, rotate it to 90 degrees like this, and adjust the masking size. So I'm going to go with the size and drag it to the left. Click on the check icon. Now duplicate this overlay and drag it to the bottom and repeat the same steps, but drag the masking a little bit to the right. Okay, like this. Now repeat the steps until the whole video is revealed. Okay guys, so after you do the masking, here you need to arrange the beginning of each overlay like this. And it might be best if you follow the beats to the audio that you add. So the transition will come out one by one. And after that, here you can just go to animation and don't forget to add the slide up animation. And after that, here is the final result. So guys, this is the final result. Let's replay it again. Okay, it will come out one by one. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.